What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Hyundai Elantra key fob here. I'll show you how to open it up if you want to replace your battery. So we're going to flip it over and we're going to remove the emergency key first. There's a button right here that we're going to slide to the right and we can pull the emergency key out. Now we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and you have a slot here for the emergency key, then you have one below it. Okay, the one below it, we're going to put the screwdriver in. It doesn't go very far in. We're just going to give it a turn. Okay, you can see how it opens the remote up. It allows me to go around and just pop it open. All right, and on the back cover is where the battery is going to be. Okay, now I'm just going to just pry it out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. It's going to be a CR 2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. Okay, with all the words facing down in the remote. Put the battery in there and it just clicks right in. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link, takes you to Amazon if you want to pick up a battery. Like $2, and I'll have the size there too. But you just get the two halves and you just put them together and start at the top and work your way down and just smash this guy all the way back and get the emergency key, put it back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, leave me a comment, and I hope I see you again in another video.